Hi besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We're completely opposites. Shannon was able to get in on Beauty Pass's mystery bundle, skincare bundle, and I napped.
I sent her the link as soon as I got it, and I went straight in. I said, I'm not going to hesitate. I know how much we liked their makeup one, and we didn't get the skincare last time, so when they offered it, I dove in. And then Jen said, it's sold out.
Yeah, I was real salty about that, but I was glad that she was able to get one.
I'm excited. So this, if you don't know, Beauty Pass does this thing called Free Gift Friday, where every Friday they offer you an item for free plus shipping and handling. Shipping and handling is $12.95, which is a lot for shipping of one item. We understand that, but the items generally are worth like $100.
Yeah, it's always high-end skincare. The latest, makeup situation, hair,
like
skincare. Yeah, it's always something well over.
And this was their mystery skincare bundle. It's 2 items worth, I think, $85. So I paid $12.95 for this.
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
Oh. This is from Bourgis.
Yes.
This looks so fancy.
It looks very high class.
This is Crema Restorativo. So it's a face cream.
It's itty bitty, but I know that's pricey.
It smells fancy. My hands look hideous from swatching.
Okay, so let me tell you what this feels like to me. It feels like a cream that turns into a serum.
Mm-hmm.
I like that texture.
It
It
smells
smells really good.
I like that texture, especially in the summer, where you want something a little bit lighter.
Ooh.
And it's good for 12 months after opening, so it'll be great for this summer.
Okay, and then this, oh gosh.
I swatched a palette. If you haven't yet watched my Ice Cream Beauty January video, you go watch it, you'll see what palette that's
Yeah,
from.
you need to,
We don't have any
we don't
more.
have any swipies?
No.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah. Okay, so this is the same brand. Were they both in the bag?
Yes.
Fancy.
Super fancy.
Advanced Fango Active Mud for face and body. Apply a generous layer to clean skin, face, neck, and or body. Avoid lip and eye area. Leave on for 2 to 5 minutes. Rinse off thoroughly using a warm, wet sponge or washcloth. Use 1 to 2 times a week or as needed. Includes a powerful blend of survivalist plant extracts that helps counteract signs of environmental pollution. Purifies, exfoliates, and helps minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines.
Ooh. I'm always here for a clay mask. I like to do a clay mask. Even though I have dry skin, I like to do a clay mask once in a while because it cleans my pores out, tightens them babies up.
This packaging is beautiful.
Yeah.
You Googling?
I am.
Okay, she's definitely a clay mud. This smells nice too.
Oh, yeah.
It's from Roma, so it's Italian.
Yes. Prominent Italian noble dynasty. Originally from Siena.
Okay.
Moved to Rome in the 16th century and rose to power through the church, notably with Pope Paul V, Camillo Borghese. Let's go to the dictionary and pronounce it.
Borghese.
I've heard that word before. Oops.
Anyway, it's fancy.
I know. It's
Italian borghese.
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 Yes.
Italian borghese.
Borghese.
I'm curious. Google their skincare. There's not a website listed on this.
And there's not a scan job.
Borghese.com. Borghese.
Borghese. All right. So,
Borghese.
is that this little dewdrop?
No, that's for eye creams.
Oh, eye cream. This is Restore Night Cream.
Maybe $85.
No, it's not the right color. Skincare. Is this it?
That is the right color. 24-hour moisturizer, $85.
Wait, that's the shoe size. 24 Restore ratio.
Okay, this is a 0.45 ounce. So this is $41.
0.44. Yeah, that's $41. Still, a face cream that's that size for $40.
How much
Yes,
is the
please.
mask?
What do we got?
I don't know. You clicked add to cart.
Oh, am I buying it?
Yeah. Advanced Fingo, right there.
This?
This. Mine didn't come in that kind of jar.
No, you probably got the itty bitty. What size?
0.7. Yep, that's that one. $27.
I'm fine with that.
For $12?
For $12, like you've got $70
That's a decent size
worth
tub
of skincare. Is that travel size? They're calling that travel size.
They're calling that travel size. They're calling this travel size.
I think it's huge. And if it's travel size for $40, okay, I'll take it.
When you're that rich, you travel for a month.
Yeah, when you're prestigious brand and doing the damn thing, then yeah.
You call it whatever you want, travel size. You can't be mad at this
Never.
for $12.95. Like,
I definitely have FOMO sitting here. I really, really want to try that cream and mask. I know it's going to be
think
super
we're going to keep
luxurious.
taking advantage every time we see these mystery bundles from them because that's just fun. I mean, it's fun getting the thing for free and knowing what you're getting, but the mystery is really fun.
It's super fun. I remember when like Ipsy Charm and Boxy Charm used to be like, there was an element of surprise to it. That was kind of fun.
Now they tell us everything we're getting.
Yeah, and you get to choose most of your stuff now. So,
did you get to take advantage of this? Have you signed up for the Free Gift Friday?
how many of you guys signed up for Free Gift Friday because we asked you to? Like, I'm just curious
I
to
know
know
there
if
was
you guys.
a few people that commented
Yes.
on our last one that said they signed up. Have you gotten off the wait list? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring the ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring.
We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.